Hey, hello, my friend. Welcome to Breakfast with Sergio. In this episode, I have a very important message to give you. You, my friend, you are an artist on a mission. And the only way that mission can be accomplished is when you walk yourself into the studio and get to work. So let's talk about that in this episode. My name is Sergio Gomez. I'm an artist, curator, gallery owner, author, and co-founder of the Art NXT Level program. And my goal with this channel is to make marketing and art business easy so that you can grow your art career, find new opportunities, sell more art, and spend more time creating in the studio. So if you like that, make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the little bell so that you receive notifications of our future videos. My friend, I'm super happy, super excited to be here with you today, and particularly because I have a message that I want to expand on, a message that I've been talking about, for the last couple months, actually since the beginning of the year, maybe last 4 months or so, about this idea that you are an artist on a mission. Yes, you who are watching this video, if you consider yourself a creative person, an artist, doesn't matter if you are emerging, mid-career, established, you're starting, it doesn't really matter. But you are an artist on a mission. You are an artist on a mission. And when you walk into your studio, or when you take that brush or that pencil or that camera or that whatever it is that you use for tools and materials, when you take those and you create, you enter into the act of creation, you are walking into that mission. You are making that mission possible. And my friend, that is super important message, because I find today in the world many artists who are frustrated, who are disillusioned about the art world, who are really overwhelmed with all the things that are required to be an artist, who are really distracted because all this social media consumption and trying to stay on top of social media. I find many artists who are really kind of down because once they had a great career, and now, they seem to be getting in the forgotten zone because newer artists are coming around, and, they're getting older, and so on. We are all getting older, but there's a lot of this in the art world, and it makes me sad, to see that as I scroll to social media, as I talk to artists, and, having a career not only as an artist, but also as a curator and a career coach, I get to talk to a lot of artists on a daily basis and work with them and see, the struggle is real. The struggle for all of us is real. Success comes as a great prize for all of us. And sometimes artists show up social media, putting their best face, like if everything is wonderful and amazing, but the reality that's behind the scenes is not as fun. It's not as amazing. It's not as cool. It's not as hot. It's not as warm, but it could be sometimes lonely. It could be sometimes sadness sets in. It could be sometimes, confusion sets in, overwhelm, etc. The list goes on. So in this episode, I want to encourage you. I don't want to teach you today a new tool or about a new technique or a new marketing thing. I want to actually encourage you. I want to take a little bit of my time today in this beautiful, amazing day to say that you, my friend, you are an artist on a mission. And my friend, when you focus on that mission, when you focus on that idea that you are an artist on a mission, there are no obstacles, there are no walls, there are not giants that are big enough that you cannot cross, that you cannot go over, that you cannot pursue, that you cannot win over. Why? Because you are an artist on a mission. When you change that mentality, all of a sudden, the obstacles that come your way, the rejection letters that you get, the rejection emails, the unanswered requests for funding, etc. All of a sudden, those things help you to change. And instead of putting you down, I give you an opportunity to look away and say, well, I'm an artist on a mission. That means if this particular route did not work, well, there are another 10,000 different opportunities. There are another 10,000 different ways of looking at how I can do this, right? And gives you that framework to think about, if I'm on a mission, I need to accomplish that mission. So, and that includes everything that relates to your art career when it comes to, walking into that mission. I believe as an artist, every day you need to walk into that mission. You need to be able to get into the studio or get in front of your computer to write that email or take your phone to make that particular caption for that post that you need to make. That is walking into your mission. That is walking into, because when you do that, making the art, making the phone call, writing the email, making the post, sending that email newsletter, doing the follow-up, cleaning up the studio, etc. When you do each of those things, you are allowing for that mission to embody, to take place, to be visible in the world. And that, my friend, is something super important. I actually, this year in 2023, I began to change my mindset in that way, and waking up and thinking, when as I'm getting ready, I'm an artist on a mission. I'm an artist on a mission. And let me tell you, some days I'm very clear on what that mission is, what that mission looks like. And there are other days in which that mission is blurred. That mission is not as clear, not as precise. However, it doesn't really matter. Just that frame set says I'm on a mission, and I need to just take the next step in order to embody that, in order to discover the mission that I have ahead of me. So that's something, my friend, I wanted to pass on to you. I wanted to remind you again, and I'm going to continue reminding you again and again that you're an artist on a mission, because it is important. It is super exciting. Sometimes I go into a coaching session, or I go into a class that I'm teaching, or something I'm doing with my community, and somebody says, I'm an artist on a mission, or we are on a mission. That is great. I love that. That means we are embodying it. And when we embody it ourselves, we want others to join in. We want others to be part of their own mission, to find their mission, to realize that we are all, as artists, on a mission. And I'm not telling you what is your mission. If you notice, I'm not telling you this is your mission, or that's your mission, or that's your mission. You decide what that is. But the only thing that I'm telling you is, or I encourage you to do, is just to walk into that mission. Even if you are totally confused, like Sergio, I don't know what my mission is. I've been so disillusioned about the art world. I've been so frustrated, non-opportunities. I don't know what to do, etc. I'm not asking you, to do something that you're not comfortable with. What I'm asking you to do is realize that you are on a mission. And the next simple step that you can make, the simple next step is the best thing that you can do. And for some of you, might be, today I'm just going to go pick up a brush or pick up a pencil and start doing something. Or today, I'm going to write that email that I've been wanting to write for the last 2 weeks and I haven't got around to. Or today, okay, finally, I'm going to maybe update that web page of my art that has been like out of date for the last 3 years. Whatever it is, just pick one thing that will keep you that bring you a little bit closer to embodying that mission that you're all about. And in the process of doing so, you will discover your mission or your missions. You may have multiple missions, depends on what it is that you do as an artist. I find myself that I, have to think about different missions when I'm coaching an artist and we are in a one-on-one session, for example. My mission at that moment is not my art. My mission at the moment is to, how can I help this artist? How can we brainstorm together? How can we get the best out of this time together so that, we experience more success in this artist's life? Or if I'm, with my group of artists inside the Art NXT Level program, same thing, right? How can we make this moment amazing so that we, by doing so, we are walking into our mission. When I'm in my studio, it's just me, myself, me and the walls and the art and the materials, right? How can I make this moment, the best so that I can walk into my mission? So, my friend, my challenge for me to you today is twofold. I have a quick challenge for you. Write in the comments of this video, wherever you're watching it, or you are in the podcast, and send me a message and say, I'm an artist on a mission. If you watch this video, you watch all the way to the end, I challenge you to declare it. I'm an artist on a mission. Because that's the first step. You have to declare it. You have to actually say it. I'm an artist on a mission. Once you say it over and over again, not only this video, but say it tomorrow, say it the day after, write it down on a piece of paper, just put it on a marker, stick it on the wall in your studio so that you can see it every day. You remind yourself you're an artist on a mission. So say it, express it in the comments, and just go to the comments under this video and put, I'm an artist on a mission. And then the most important thing is then believe it, embody it, memorize it, and then act upon it. So, my friend, you're an artist on a mission. I'm an artist on a mission. If you enjoy this particular video, please do me a big favor and share this episode with all your friends, because guess what? There are many, many more artists out there who are lost, who need this message today, and you can be the person who changed their career, their life, or this moment. So have a great day. See you very soon. Peace. Bye. Before you leave this video, if you are an artist who wants to grow your art career and wants to achieve greater success, make sure you check out the Art NXT Level program. You will find a link under this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video that we have recommended just for you.